Hey everyone, today we have a custom Glock 43 outfitted with agency arms, accessories, and parts. Let's take a look at it. Clear. So we have a burnt bronze cerakote along with hexagonal stippling throughout the frame. Night sights. This one features an agency arms fluted threaded barrel with an agency arms compensator. See the stippling. Included with this firearm are 3 magazines that feature a Taran Tactical +3 base pad, so you get a total of 9 rounds per magazine. And then also included is a additional barrel. This also features the hexagon stippling on the barrel. And finally, you also get an appendix carry custom kydex holster. Check it out on our website at d4guns.com.